Achieving and reaching a healthy, sustained weight is possible, it is. But, if you've lost weight in the past only to regain it, stop blaming yourself and believing you're a failure. Let's try a different approach. These tried and true weight loss tips can help you be more successful at losing weight and keeping the weight off long term. Consider adding a new solution or two each week or so. Keep in mind not all of the solutions work for everyone. 1. Begin with a healthful diet. What foods do you buy each time you grocery shop? Is your grocery cart filled with lots of fruits and vegetables, fresh or frozen, whole grains, beans, fish, eggs, lean meat or plant protein sources, and low-fat dairy? If so, perfect. Eating healthier is much easier when you predominantly have healthy foods in your home. Aim for 20 to 35 grams of fiber from plant foods each day. Fiber fills you up, slowing down digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates. 2. Keep portion sizes in check. A huge key to successful weight loss and weight maintenance is portion control. Following the USDA's My Plate, showing correct portion sizes on a plate is invaluable for weight loss. 3. Eat slowly, chew well. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to get the message you are full when eating. People who eat slowly taking their time, tend to feel fuller sooner, and end up eating less. The process of chewing itself may also stimulate satiety signals. 4. Don't rely on willpower. Control your food environment by not having high calorie, high sugar, or high fat junk foods in your home or keeping them out of sight. Avoid eating directly from the bag or box of food, always portion snacks into small bowls or bags. 5. Identify emotional triggers making you overeat. Have you ever eaten food to soothe yourself? Emotions of anger, stress, depression, loneliness, or boredom are emotional triggers leading to emotional eating. Learn to distinguish between real hunger and emotional eating. To reduce emotional eating, find pleasurable non-food related activities to do instead. 6. Have protein at each meal. Research has found protein increase satiety more than carbohydrates, helping you fill up quicker and remain feeling full for longer periods. Sufficient protein at each meal also helps maintain muscle mass when losing weight. Aim for between 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. 7. Have regular meals, avoid skipping meals. A consistent meal timing pattern is very helpful for weight loss. Have a breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Going for long stretches throughout the day without eating will likely make you overeat later on in the day. 8. Avoid liquid calories. Beverages containing calories, sugary soda, juices, alcohol, sports drinks, add up quickly and are a major source of weight gain. Drinking a beverage is not as satiating as eating food. Stick with water or other non-caloric beverages like unsweetened tea or coffee. Milk is also a nutrient-dense beverage. Good choice. Aim to drink 2 cups or 16 ounces of milk each day. 9. Eat the majority of meals at home. Eating out frequently is difficult to support weight loss or maintenance. Plan to eat 90% or more of your meals at home for improved weight loss and weight maintenance success. Home cooking means you control the amount of oil, sugar and other high-calorie ingredients added to recipes. You decide what portion size you will eat. However, avoid overdependence on packaged meals like TV dinners. They may be easy to prepare but are often loaded with too much sodium, fat, and calories. 10. Weigh yourself regularly, at least once a week. Frequent weighing increases self-awareness and can provide encouragement when the numbers are going in the right direction. Or it can motivate you to get back on track if you've gained a few pounds. Weigh yourself once daily, first thing in the morning, after using the restroom. Ideally, weigh wearing little to no clothes. If your weight increases, make lifestyle adjustments by tweaking your eating or exercise habits.